It was a sight worth stopping for. 3 young men helping an elderly couple struggling to get to their car.
Take it easy, y'all.
Sheriff's Deputy Kenesha Carnegie was driving by at the time.
As I was sitting there, I looked to my left and I noticed these young men helping this elderly couple. So I went over to assist them. I jumped out my truck, I went over to assist them. And when I got there, they kind of had it under control, you know. So I thought at the time they looked really beautiful. That was a nice view to see, you know. And I stepped back and I videoed them.
Watch as they carefully lift 89-year-old Rose Grease into her car. Rose's 100-year-old husband David stands nearby. The men don't leave until they make sure the couple is safely inside.
Thank you so much, fellas.
Yeah, no problem, bro.
I'm 100 years old.
Yeah, 100 years old? Yeah, you still moving. That's good.
Thank you.
Kenesha says she hopes the video inspires others to lend a helping hand.
That's the beauty of it, to see them, to let their parents, even their parents, their mothers, their fathers, you know, their grandparents, to see something. I didn't anticipate this to go viral. I didn't anticipate this at all.
Thank you.
All right, take it easy, Mama.
This is InsideEdition.com.